In this tutorial, I will show you Content Aware Fill tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have now in Adobe Photoshop, and this is Content Aware Fill tool. This is, you can see, Content Aware Fill tool. But this is now not active, inactive. So how can I inactive this? Also, I have collected this image from Pixabay. So need to active, you need to select any of the selection tool. I am picking polygonal lasso tool. So clicking here, and this is, I am selecting this. After selecting this, you can see now Content Aware Fill tool has been activated. So I am clicking here. After clicking that, you can see here is the preview, what it done for us. You can see this will be the final output of this tool. This tool has few options. This is brush tool. You can select sampling brush tool. This is lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool also here. This is hand tool and this is zoom tool. So this is the result. Here is few options. This is sampling area options. It is auto. If you have the similar content in the field, same like field area, then you can check it auto. Or otherwise, if you have rectangular type area, you can select rectangular. You can see when I am selecting rectangular, it will change the preview output mode. You can see now this is looks like that. Here is the selection. This is the overlay. You can easily, I am selecting sampling brush and I am selecting minus, and I am enlarging the brush and deleting this part because I want only this part. This part it will collected the sampling from. So that's why I am erasing this part. So now the image, now the output looks like that. Also, this is custom mode. You can select this. Here is also few fill settings. This is color. This is IM default option and rotation none. Also scale and mirror. Color adaptation actually allows contrast and brightness to adapt for a better match. If you need this, you can use this. Also, rotation adaptation. This is actually best for rotated or curvy type pattern. So if you have this type of pattern type in your image, then you can use this. Scale, it works for repeating pattern type objects. If you have repeating pattern type objects, then you can scaling this so that it can scale the image. Also, here is mirror. It will allow content to be flipped horizontally. If you need to flip horizontally in your image, you can select this. And this is output setting. You can make it current layer, new layer, or duplicate layer. I am selecting new layer, and after accepting it, you can see it will open in a new layer. The output result, it will be opened in a new layer. So you have the more control on the results using this tool. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.